What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video, guys. My hair a little bit crazy today. Welcome to a new video. What we're going to be doing today is removing the spoiler on the Dodge Charger, guys. This is the Scatpack version. Now this can work for any RT. I'm not sure about the Hellcat. I don't know which one that one brings. The regular SXT, all these, the ones that bring this type of spoiler right here, we're gonna be removing this, guys, and show you guys how to do that. So first of all, what we're gonna need, guys, is a 10mm socket. What you guys want is a 10mm socket right here. You guys see, let me see with the, where it says 10 right there, 10mm socket with you know, I have the whole set right here. If you guys can see, we have the whole set. But what you're gonna need is a 10mm socket and then the wrench. That's the first thing you guys are gonna need. The second thing you guys are gonna need, that I went ahead and bought, this, sell this at Advanced Auto, at AutoZone, all these places, are these little what do they call it, trim removal sets. And these are easy to remove the prongs, because we're gonna have to remove the prongs in order to remove the spoiler. And also got one of these as well, the metal ones, just to help us out. And then the last thing, everything I'll put down below in the link will be down below in the description. The last thing we need is the Go Gone. Now, guys, if you guys did not know, the spoiler has 3M tape under. It's getting shade. It's really hot out there. A lot of cars are passing by. What we're gonna need is the Go Gone. It's called Go Gone. It brings a little remover here. It's a sticker remover, label remover. But if you guys did not know, the spoiler on the Dodge Charger has 3M and stuff like that. So we're gonna need this to take it off and remove it. And this is gonna make that, just that 3M tape, get loose and get a little bit better. So yeah, let's get started on it, and you know, show you guys step by step how to do this. So yeah, let's get right into it. You know how to remove this spoiler. So yeah, did forget to mention, guys, is you do need like a little start tip that you guys see right here. How this one is, I have a little kit right here. I'll put the link to that online as well, to different kits. And the reason you need this is because we need to remove this part first. And this is like a little star, you see right there, it's like a little star. I thought it was a regular Phillips head, but it's not a regular Phillips head. You guys need a little star tip. We have it, luckily. And yeah, so don't forget that. So what we're gonna do here first, guys, is we're gonna remove these side clips right here. So these easily come off. All you guys gotta do is pull these like that, and then you guys see that screw right there is what we're gonna need to take out. It's 4 of these. It's 2 on the side outside, and then it's 2 right under this part right here. So we're gonna take these side clips off. It's easy, just pull. Just make sure you don't break them, don't pull too hard. Just make sure I'm not, you know, popping this. And then the clip actually stayed in there on this one. We'll figure it out in a bit. It's all right, we'll put it to the side and leave it on the side right now. That's the first step. Next thing we're gonna do right here, I'll set this right here so you guys can see a little better. What we're gonna do is take these prongs out that you guys see. It's 1, 2, and then we need to take these screws out right here. So I'm gonna start off, let's start off with the screws actually. So let's start off with the screws. Let me make sure I can't see because of the sun glare. Make sure you guys can see everything that I'm doing. Hopefully you guys really can't see because of the sun glare. Okay, you guys can see. Yeah, I should have done this when it was a little earlier in the morning. So first things first, take this off right here. It comes off easily. Don't lose these parts, guys. Don't lose these screws. Make sure you guys keep them somewhere safely. I'm gonna put these to the side right now. All right, so right here, you guys can see the tip right there, how it looks. This is the one you guys need. Put those to the side. The reason we need this to come off is because, like I said, there's 2 screws under for the spoiler. Alrighty, here's the other one out. Alright, take this off. So we take this part off, put it to the side. Now we can move it around a little bit. Now what we need to do is take out these prongs. Now what I have is that trim set that I showed you guys. These, I might use this one, see which one fits the best, which one is easier to remove these prongs with. Now I do recommend buying more prongs. I didn't, so hopefully I don't break these, because these are sensitive and they'll break. But if you guys break them, don't worry, There's a lot of them online. You guys spot them online and replace them very easily. Trying to be as gentle as possible, but I might end up breaking these and just gonna have to order new ones. Still good. Didn't pop. They are a little hard though. I can see why people pop these. Like I said, if you guys do pop them, you guys can get more. But luckily, save this one. It's still good. You will need to put some force on it. I have no idea where that one went. Okay, I found it. Like I said, it's still good. Like I said, you will need to put some force on these. They're very hard. And now that we did that, guys. All right, guys, my bad. It is way too hot out here, and my phone died because it's too hot. But once we're done with that part, guys, these have two little screws right here. Let me put this phone down real quick. Let me remove this. These have two little two clips. All you guys want to do, you guys can see the clips right there. All you guys want to do is pull these with a little bit of force, and them things will come out easily. Just put a little bit of force to it, like that. You guys see on that side, with both sides. Once we do that, we are good to go. This thing is good. Take this part, put that inside. Now we got to remove that part. Let me see how that goes for. Let me see. Now, the screws we gotta get to, guys, are right there. These are the screws right here for the spoiler, right over here. These are the two we had to get to in order to unscrew it and what's the case. So very easily. Now, what we're gonna need now is this wrench, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set the phone down here and show you guys just how I'm removing these with the wrench right here. We had a 10mm, very easy, and we got it with the extender, easy. All right, so the side ones are off, guys. My bad. Like I said, man, I just want to record this video. We are out here dressed a little bummy, regular, but it is what it is. Wanted to record this video for you guys. And now we took the both side ones. Now we're gonna take both of the ones inside and take those two inside, and then this thing will come right off. Now the 3M tape on it sucked, so I think this thing's gonna come right on off. We might not even need the go gun, but let's see. Now guys, for this step, we're gonna need to take this extender off. We're gonna have to put it just with the regular one because the extender is it can't go in with the extender. So we're gonna have to take the extender off, guys. We just have to go with the regular socket in, no extender. All right, guys. So here's a little what's it called? I forgot what those are called right now. I can't even think. The little nut, I guess, whatever you guys want to call it. It's two of those. I got one of them out. Let me show you guys exactly what we're doing here. The phone is getting hot again, so I might have to cut again. I'm taking these off right here. You guys can see these. This one right here. Took that one off already. Gonna take those. So all we had to do, like I said, is those 4 screws. 2 on the side, 2 on the inside. Once we take this one out, the spoiler should come right on out. And let's go ahead and do this last one. So the last one is out. Now this spoiler is gonna come right on out. So let's see if it has a lot of 3M tape or whatnot. Let's see right here. Shut it. Let me shut it real quick. Just I'm not sure it's gonna be able to shut it. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so it's the glue is still on there. Very hard, if you guys can see that. So what we're gonna need now, this is where we need the the Go Gun. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to apply that on here and how we're gonna get this bad boy off. All right, guys, so we have the Go Gun here. This is what we're gonna use for this right over here, guys. We have the Go Gun. This is what makes the spoiler not sticky. Now it's easier if you guys have the spray. What I'm gonna do here is get these towels, get these paper towels, and then just put some of this product on there. Yes, you see, put a little bit on there and just rub it on the edges real quick. You know, rub it on the edges of the spoiler. If you guys have the bottle, the spray bottle, this will be perfect, you know, because what we're trying to do is get more of this in here. So what I'm going to try to do is just pour some on the top of my vehicle, because I don't care about the wrap. The wrap is coming off. The wrap is going to come off as well. And what I'm trying to do is get as much as we can in there, you know, to start making this spoiler not stick, you know, with that 3M tape on there. I'm going to leave this out here for like 4 minutes, try to get as much in there under. I'm even gonna do it from this side, and we just gotta try to get this to start not sticking. Like I said, I'm just gonna put a whole bunch on the trunk, just try to get as much in there as possible to go inside. That's what we need. And this is when having like a spray bottle comes in handy, because if you guys have a spray bottle, it's gonna come out so much easier, and it works, you know, like I said, it works so much easier if you guys have the spray bottle. You guys can see or hear what I'm talking about. Like, it's coming off already. We're trying to get as much as we can in there. So let me try to get as much in here, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so it is officially off now. A trick we did, man, this thing was hard. The glue is like really hard on there, man. The glue was really hard. So the trick we did, if you guys fish, what I did is I used fishing line. You can see my hands are all dirty from that greasy glue, Go Gone. What I did is put this fishing line like this and just dragged it all the way across to get that glue more loose on there. So we got it off officially, man. And this is how you take your spoiler off. Now we're gonna take this wrap off. If you guys, you know, if you guys are changing it, you guys want to watch another video, because I'm not changing. I'm using the same one, put it back on. And if you guys do want to clean it, use that Go Gun, and the Go Gun, I keep calling Go Gun, will clean that up right for you and clean all this out, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and take this wrap off, man, because I don't want this wrap on here anymore. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, and for how to remove the spoiler. We're gonna go ahead and take this wrap off, so let's go.